Hi students, I'm Jeff, and today's pronunciation and dictation topic is W, as in W. In particular, the combination of W and O sounds, though we'll look at various vowel sounds. And this is often a problem for people from Japan, Korea, and Brazil. So let's start by talking about the difference between how vowel sounds are made and how consonant sounds are made, because that's an important issue with this pronunciation item. So the vowels A, E, I, O, and U are pronounced without any air obstruction. Your lips, teeth, and tongue are not used. A, E, O, U, are all produced without any obstruction of air. That's what makes a vowel, whereas a consonant, the other letters are all consonants, is produced with some air obstruction using your lips, tongue, or teeth. So if you have a word that starts with the W sound and you don't pronounce the W sound, that's because you're not obstructing the flow of air. And to do that, for the W sound, you need to bring your lips together. W, like you're taking a drink or kissing someone. W. Alright, having said that, now we can move on to part A. So listen and repeat. And the first group of words start with vowel sounds. Oozy, ill, O, 8, eat, ought, I, I'll, air. Now the next group is the same as the first group, except you need to add a W sound at the beginning. So remember, to make the W sound, bring your lips together. W. So repeat after me. Woozy, will, whoa, wait, wheat, want, why, while, where. And the final group of words in part A also has the W sound at the beginning of each word. And the key factor here is that most of these words are very common. So these words are the target of this lesson, because if you have a problem with this sound, you're going to mispronounce these words a lot. So repeat after me. Wood, wood, woman, women, womb, what, what. And next, I have a tongue twister for you today. This is a very common tongue twister. Children learn this and practice it and try to say it as fast as they can. So it would be good if you could memorize this and practice it a lot. It would really help you with the W sound. So just listen and then practice it on your own. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? The objective, at least for English speakers, is to say it really fast. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? But for you, it's to say it clearly. Alright, part B. I'm going to go over all the words so you can listen and repeat if you like. The first pair. Oozy, woozy. Remember to bring your lips together to make the W sound. Ill, will. Oh, whoa. 8, wait. Eat, wheat. Ought, want. I, why. I'll, while. Air, where. Alright, let's do part B again. This time I'll say just one word and I want you to say which one it is. First or second. The first pair. Woozy. The second word. Ill. The first word. Oh. The first word. Wait. The second word. Wheat. The second word. Ought. The first word. I. The first word. While. The second word. Where. The second word. Alright, so you should practice that list on your own some more, and then during class we'll reverse the quiz and you'll do the reading and I'll tell you what I hear. And now it's time for dictation. So I've got 3 sentences for you during the lesson. I'll have 3 more for you. So listen and write down what you hear. I'll say each sentence 3 times, and the second time I will hold up a finger to represent each word. Number 1. Where would you like to eat? Where would you like to eat? Where would you like to eat? 2. Mr. Watt owes the woman for the wood. Mr. Watt owes the woman for the wood. Mr. Watt owes the woman for the wood. And 3. Will ought to wait for the wheat. Will ought to wait for the wheat. Will ought to wait for the wheat. Alright, so now you can check your answers. If you've got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching and take care.